Welcome to NUOMI Channel. In modern households, the kitchen is not only a place for cooking, but also a space to display the quality of life. How to store condiments, snacks, and drinks smartly has become the focus of many families. This product is NUOMI Electric Lifting Unit for base cabinet. It features hidden storage design, with 3-tier storage space, capable of storing commonly used condiments and various sized bottles and jars for kitchen cooking. Invisible lifting design helps to keep the kitchen countertop neat and maximize the corner space. The max loading of this product is 26 kilograms. The basket frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy with fluorocarbon spraying surface, ensuring corrosion and rust resistance. Smart button for easy operation of the rise, fall and pause functions. Long press to lower the product to avoid hand pinching. The product has passed SGS 20,000 movement tests, smooth and silent during operation. This product is in high glass gray color. It's suitable for cabinet widths of 600 millimeters. The cabinet height needs to be between 695 to 785 millimeters, and the cabinet depth should be at least 458 millimeters for installation. The electric lifting unit for base cabinet facilitates easy storage and enhances the tidiness of your kitchen space. If you want to learn more about NUOMI products, follow our channels below to make your home life more tasteful.